Hello! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun. This is the screen brightness icon. You can tap on it to change the level of brightness, and you can keep tapping to toggle between different levels of brightness, as you can see. And you can also do this through the settings. So we can tap on the settings icon right here on the quick panel to open the settings, tap on the display, and here tap on screen brightness. And this will open the list of different levels of brightness, and we can scroll through them by swiping up and down on the screen. We can set the brightness to the desired level, and then we can tap on the check mark to confirm, like this. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.